In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on Discord. So first, let's click on user settings at the bottom. And then let's go to notifications. And from here, you just click on this button for enable desktop notifications. And there you go. That will turn off push notifications on your desktop. Now, if you wanna turn off the notifications for servers or channels, just right click on them and then click on notification settings, and here you could click on nothing and then say done. Now another way that you could do is to right click on a server, mute server until I turn it back on, and there you go. That is how you turn off notifications on Discord. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.